birthday, let's celebrate. Take a breath, don't hesitate. Candles burn, light up the room. In your eyes we see the bloom. Friends and fam, all gather near. Cheering love, we're full of cheer. Laughter fills the air tonight. Happy faces shining bright. Birthday, birthday, let's all sing. Birthday, birthday, joy we bring. Birthday, birthday, dance and play. Birthday, birthday, all the way. Cake and gifts, all wrapped with love. Stars shine bright from up above. Wishes made, we'll watch them grow. Through the year, we'll let them flow. Candles all wrapped with love. Stars shine bright from up above. Wishes made, we'll watch them grow. Through the year, we'll let them flow. Birthday, birthday, let's all sing. Birthday, birthday, joy we bring. Birthday, birthday, dance and play. Birthday, birthday, all the way. Blow the candles, close your eyes. Dreams will soar up to the skies. Time to smile and laugh out loud. You're the star, we're all so proud.
Love shout out everyone! I'm Darling OFW Vlogs. Today mga darling, kung mayroon tayong babatiin na isa nating kaibigan sa YT World dahil nag-celebrate siya ng kanyang kaarawan today. Walang iba kundi ang nag-iisang Alexandra Calang. Ayan, lalabs Alex, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo. At ingat ka lagi sa trabaho mo. God bless always sa'yo at sa family mo.
Hi guys! So today is birthday ni si Alex, Alexandra Calang. So nandito ako para batiin siya ng happy birthday. So si Alex, happy birthday and I wish you good health. Enjoy your life lang dyan sa Malta. Namausap ko, pasensya na. And then, thank you kasi kahit ups and down man yung friendship natin dalawa. Pero andyan pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. Thank you sa support mo kahit ikaw ay busy pero sumisilip ka pa rin sa akin pag nagla-live ako. Ilang sisi and I hope na naman yung mga pangarap ko ay matupad mo na at I know na gusto mo talaga rin ako makasunod dyan sa Malta. So I hope in God's will susunod ako dyan. Bahala na si Lord kasi alam mo naman si Lord lahat ang nakakaalam kung anong mangyayari sa atin. So I'm praying naman na makapunta rin dyan sa Malta para magkasama rin tayo. So yun lang sisi, good health lang tsaka enjoy. I know nandyan naman si Carlo. So may forever ka naman na nandyan na si Carlo. I love you sisi.
Hi! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and I wish you more blessings to come and more birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your day and God bless always.
Happy birthday, Sisi Marga. More birthdays to come and God bless. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. happy birthday po, Idol Alex Sandra Calang. And God bless. And huwag po natin pabayaan natin sarili. At enjoy your birthday. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa Tempo Support. At nakilala kita. At treat lang po ako sa iyo dahil birthday mo para makatulong kunti. At happy birthday ulit, Alex Sandra Calang. God bless. See you your birthday. Salamat.
Hello guys, hello everyone. This is me guys, Jolie P. Ayan. But anyway guys, I wanna say thank you to our friend at Sisi Alex Sandra that she giving me a permission to greet here a happy birthday. So Sisi Alex, happy birthday to you, and I wish and I hope that you are always kind and humble, and then of course please take care to yourself, especially your health, and yeah, more blessing to comes, and then of course stay connected as being a friend of mine. Yeah, of course. Yeah, and then I love you, and I hope soon we will see to each other soon in time, I hope. And that's it. Thank you so much, and then happy birthday again. Enjoy your day, enjoy your birthday. I love you.
Hi Madam Alex, happy birthday. Thank you sa mga pinapaabot mo sa aming tulong. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang ating samahan. Happy birthday and more birthday to come. Thank you and happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madam Alex. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana maging healthy ka lagi at maging masaya. Huwag na palagi malungkot. Ang problema, huwag mong tambayan, daanan mo lang yan. Happy birthday, at sana maging maligaya ka sa iyong birthday ngayon. At palaging tatandaan mo, tumatanda na tayo. Palagi kailangan mag-ipon para pagdating na sa Pilipinas, pag hindi mo na kaya magtrabaho, gusto mo mag-negosyo dito sa Pilipinas, may pupunta kang pera. Mag-ipon, huwag magwaldas para pagdating sa Pilipinas hindi ka kawawa. Alam mo naman pag mga OFW, puro padala, walang iniipon sa sarili. Ayan, pagdating dito, nga. Ngayon, Madam Alex, happy birthday uli. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging maligaya ka ngayon sa lupa.
For today's video, i-greet ko lang yung friend and sister natin sa YouTube industry. Sis Alex, happy birthday, and I'm so happy to be part of this birthday greetings. And wish ko lang, at wish ako naman wish din ng pamilya or sa lahat na more blessings and good health ng always. And yun lang, don't forget to pray. And I hope na madami pang birthday na dumating ko sa buhay mo. Enjoy mo yung life mo. And stay positive. Happy birthday.
Hi Timar, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health always. Pinaka-importante. Na kung malipayan ikaw sa my birthday diya, maski lajo ka sa mga family. And I pray na gabayan ka per mini God. Again, happy birthday. Amping always.
Mary, wishing you a wonderful birthday and a year of a good health, happiness, and success.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day!
Kasi mo, happy birthday! And
Welcome to the club. Happy Golden. And many more health years to celebrate with us pa rin, syempre. And stay happy always. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday to our golden girl, Miss Mary Margaret. Ang wish ko sa iyo ngayong birthday mo is sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay makamit mo, and then sana laging masaya, and of course good health always. Sana ngayon more cautious sa mga kinakain mo kasi nga we're not getting any younger. So, enjoy your day, have a blast, and nandito lang kami ng mga kaibigan mo na sumusuporta sa'yo sa YouTube nyo ni Ate Shirley. And then, naghihintay din kami sa iyong treat. Happy birthday again! Have a nice day! Enjoy!
Sisi Koy, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko lang na sana ay good health lagi para magampanan natin ang ating tungkulin. And syempre sana lagi kang masaya, gano'n. Alam ko naman always na masaya ka na. Kasi syempre always nakasama si fam mo, di ba? Seryoso na to si Sir. Sana marami pagkapang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. At mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo. And sana ang blessing po ka sa iyo sa 50th birthday mo. At ingat ka lagi, Sisi. Andito lang kami na kaibigan mo sa FB at sa loob ng YT. Ayan. Again, happy birthday. God bless you more and more. Tiyan! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sister. Happy golden birthday. God bless you always and wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mary Margaret Calang. I truly wish that you are blessed with all happiness, health, and joy, and prosperity in life. Happy birthday to the twinkle of my eyes. And I love you from the bottom of my heart. Happy birthday, Mary Margaret Calang. And I miss you so much. And I love you. Good luck for your birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi sis, good morning. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day. Good health. Enjoy lang yung life mo dyan sa Malta. Kahit magkalayo tayo, unless still connecting araw-araw. Mag-iingat ka dyan parati. Good health sis. Good health. Dito lang ako para sa'yo. I miss you. I love you sis. Ingat ka dyan parati. Kayo ni Sherry. Pag nag-off day kayo, mag-iingat. At dito lang, mag-iingat din ako dito. Kaya love you sis. Bye.
Hi Mary. I'm on holiday. Sana kung nandito ka, igagawa kita ng biko at pansit na isang bilao. Anyway, hope your 50th celebration rocks and kicks off an incredible year. Tandararam! Cheers to 50! Love you, mwah!
Hi Ate Mar, kumusta? Happy birthday ate. Enjoy your day. Wish ko na kung sa may mga desire sa imong kinabuhi, mga plano, unta nga, imo kini makabot. Ubanan sa giya sa Ginoo. Magpalipayon kanunay imong love life. Happy birthday ate, happy 50th birthday. Amping kanunay sa trabaho. I love lots. Bye.
To our birthday celebrant, a simple song for you. Maligayang birthday sa iyong dalawa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang birthday sa iyong dalawa. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Happy birthday, my dear. God bless and wishing you good health always and more birthdays to come. Love you.